You are all of my joy and the greatest love of my life.
My one wish finally came true.
Well, good morning. It is, I think it's Thursday. It's my Friday. That's why I was going to say Friday. But it's Thursday, and I am on my way in. Apparently, overnight, we had a cold front. It was 73 degrees yesterday, or 74 degrees yesterday. But this morning, it was 34 when I woke up. A little bit of a cold front came through. Any excuse to wear my Ravenclaw scarf I got from my beautiful bride. I will put it on, represent Ravenclaw. Even though I'm only wearing a Tom's hoodie as a jacket, because it's supposed to get up to, I think, like 60 or 65, something like that today. 60 I think, so I don't think I'm gonna need like a coat. It's already 40, so I didn't bring the big one. This way I can wear this one inside if it got a little bit chilly. Anyway, representing my Ravenclaw. Alright guys, our busy season is supposed to have officially started. It did not, because IRS is holding checks for people that claimed with dependents, and that's who, you know, comes and spends their checks on our furniture. So I'm hoping that kicks in pretty quickly. My schedule changes next week, so I'll go to one day off starting next week. And no weekend day. It'll be, I think I'm off on Tuesdays, which works out next week because Tuesday next week is Valentine's Day. But anyway, I'm babbling. I just wanted to say good morning, and I will catch up with you guys as soon as I can. Have fun with Chentel and the baby. I'm gonna get you. Oh, goodness, Mama. Take a break. Good morning, everyone. Say good morning. When are you going to learn how to say good morning? That'll be so cute. Say good morning. Say good morning. Yeah, that's her trying it. Good morning. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Good morning, Maybellines. Oh, goodness me. Yeah? Oh, I love it. There's a dimple right here. Hope you guys are having a good day. Know that we love you. And welcome to the day. Day. Welcome to the day. Say hi. You better say hi. Where that day got away from me. Oh, that's a sweet picture. Gary just showed me a picture on Instagram. The day got away from me. The vlog was rough. It was really rough to edit. I talked a lot yesterday and I had to like cut it out, and I don't know, I guess just a lot's on my mind with all this potty talk. It's funny. Anyways, we are out to dinner. Yes, it was morning and now it's dinner. I guess we're eating out because we're going to be cooped up all weekend.
For the next 2 days, yeah.
Well, you 2 days. To me,
You're cooped up anyway, though.
Yeah. But I can still head out whenever I want to. Anyways, Mabel and I got breakfast, and Carrie got...
I got, dinner. It's dinner.
Whenever there was breakfast...
I love breakfast for dinner. I do,
Yeah.
but I was craving a hamburger.
Whenever there was breakfast, I got blackberry pancakes.
That sounds good.
Eggs and hash brown. And Mabel just got egg, bacon, and pancakes. do you know that that happens?
She did. I didn't even know that they could stack, and she figured it out all by herself today. It's the cutest thing. And then I thought inside, I said out loud, I was like, well, I guess we're keeping these.
Looks like it.
Woo!
Oh, man, I'm so tired. And I've got to get up earlier tomorrow.
But she had fun.
And I'm glad.
If you guys want to see a slime video of mine, go check my Instagram out. Hey, I'm trying to get your hands unsticky. Okay, there we go. Now, I made like a really cool slime. Don't do it with the other hand. On that hand it gets sticky. Just put this hand down and there we go. And it unsticks your sticky hand until you stick it like that and again.
Okay.
What happened to you playing with it? All cute. Huh? Just sticking your fingers in it like that. Watch. Show. This is the one that I had on my Instagram. Crazy. Crazy. And then I also made this one. Oh man. Can't get this off of her. Okay. Hold that thought. I'll just rip it off. That one's a little bit stickier. This is my Elsa slime. Look at that. Does it show how pretty that is?
Yeah, just like that. All I see, though, is y'all's hands going back and forth in front of it the whole time. You can't really see what's happening with it. And you can't really see all the glitter. And the more you move, the less it focuses. Okay.
It's like a light, feel that one. A light blue ice color with just like...
Oh, yeah, that feels like snowy.
Yeah, silver glitter. And it's a secret ingredient in this. Major secret ingredient that I made myself. I made up myself. I'll tell you as soon as the
Vlog is off.
vlog is off.
Okay.
Alright, let's
go to bed.
go to bed. Alright, guys. It's a night-night time. It's a night-night time for you guys. I know it. So,
What is it, baby?
are you guys ready for the potty party tomorrow? Mabel, are you ready for the potty party tomorrow? Yeah, yeah. Are you ready to not have any more diapers? Except for nap time and night time? Huh?
Are you ready?
You ready to have underwear? Like a big girl? Yeah? Are you tucked in a blanket good? Good job. We came home from dinner and set her on the toilet. Yeah. Set her on the toilet and she went pee. We didn't even have to ask her. She just sat down and went pee.
It's ridiculous.
My sugar bear. Yeah. So it's going to be fun, I think. Carrie has a meeting in the morning, which stinks. But she'll be back by
Early.
by breakfast or a little after or something
Yeah.
like that. So we start the potty party after breakfast, and hopefully Carrie will be here.
Yeah.
I'll start decorating while Mabel's having breakfast. All right. So if you enjoyed, oh, by the way, something I've been meaning to ask you guys. And I don't remember if it was on the last vlog or not. So I'll edit this out if it was. Excuse me. Oh, blah, blah, blah. I don't have time to comment on every single comment. So some comments I will comment on if there's like a question or something like that. Ow, just blowing my ear. But I will read every comment and I will hit the thumbs up. Let me guys know down below if you were getting an alert when I thumbs up your comment. Let me know if you guys see that. I hope you do, because I don't know if anybody's done that to mine, because I haven't seen it. Like on other people's vlogs. What's happening here? What's happening there? What's happening there? Thumbs up the vlog if you liked it. Hit subscribe if you want to become a Maybelline. Because we
Vlog daily.
Daily.
Yes.
Okay. Take your binky out. It's your time to vlog. Are you ready?
I'll hold it. Okay.
Okay. You say night-night and give kisses. Is it your turn to vlog? There's a bed. A bed every
Wall.
time.
Here's the wall.
There's a mama. It's a bed.
Look at that little butt. So cute.
Shoulder foot. There's my foot. Then my other foot. Show your face. There's my face. Show your nose.
So smart, baby.
Show the glow, baby. Yeah. Okay, you give kisses. Give kisses. She won't give kisses anymore. It's too much about the vlog. The vlog has changed you, Mabel. The vlog has changed you. Your subscriber count has got to your head, Mabel.
Mama.
Yeah, I'm your mama. Give kisses. Kisses. Now she's getting old enough. She's like, why am I kissing a phone? Right. Okay, give to mama.
Thank you, baby.
Good night. Hold on. Okay, mama will give kisses. Mabel. You give kisses? I try.
Day to you. Happy birthday, dear Mabel. Happy birthday.